Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Naturally, where we turn everyday English into something fun, natural, and totally doable. I'm your host, Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello to all our amazing listeners tuning in from every corner of the world. It's always a highlight being here with you.
Hi, Ethan. You look extra cheerful today. That smile is huge. I can already feel this is going to be a super relaxed and enjoyable chat.
I'm buzzing because today we don't have one big serious topic. We're just talking about life, real, everyday stuff like friends do. Work, funny moments, plans, everything.
I love that. Just two friends chatting naturally. No pressure, no textbook rules. Perfect way to start the week.
But first, quick favor, friends. If you're enjoying these relaxed conversations, please hit that like button right now.
And subscribe to Learn English Naturally so you never miss our next chat. We drop these every week to keep you company.
Share this episode with a friend who needs some light, fun English listening. Nothing better than sharing a laugh together.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Ethan, how's your week going? You said you were a little busy?
Oh, it's the start of the year, so work is full on. My boss wants all these new plans, reports, dates, goals. It's a lot.
Sounds like the classic January rush. I feel you. But tell me, any funny moments to make it bearable?
Actually, yes. Yesterday, I tried to be super organized at my desk. New year, new me, right? I bought this huge trash can and started throwing away old papers.
Good for you. Clean desk, clear mind.
Exactly. I was feeling so proud. Then my colleague Tom came over and asked, Ethan, where's my lunch? Turns out his sandwich was in a brown paper bag, and I threw it away thinking it was trash.
No way! You threw away his lunch?
Yes, he looked at the trash can, then at me. He was starving. I felt terrible. I had to buy him a new one from the cafe downstairs.
At least he got a fresh sandwich. But that's hilarious. You and your cleaning enthusiasm.
I know. Lesson learned. Check inside bags before throwing. What about you? How's your week?
Pretty good, but I had my own disaster. I'm taking this photography class, and we went to the park to shoot trees and birds.
Nice, peaceful spot.
It was until I saw this beautiful bird on a fountain. I got so focused on the perfect shot, I walked straight into the water. Splash! Shoes full, jeans soaked.
Squish, squish all the way home?
Exactly. The teacher just stared. I think he wanted to laugh, but stayed serious. At least my camera survived.
That's gold. You have the best stories. Speaking of class, any plans coming up?
Actually, my friend Maria's wedding is in February. She's super stressed about everything being perfect.
Weddings are exciting. Are you helping with anything?
Yeah, flowers. We went to the florist yesterday. She saw a tiny spider on a rose and screamed so loud, knocked over a big vase of water. Water everywhere.
Poor florist.
Maria ran to the car and left me to finish alone. But the florist was laughing. She said, "The spider is more scared of you." Classic.
Weddings always have chaos. My friend Mark is getting married soon, too. I need a new suit. My old one doesn't fit after December cookies.
Too many cookies? Classic January problem.
I went to the shop, tried on a nice dark blue one, looked in the mirror, movie star. Then I walked, rip. Trousers split right in the back.
No, in the changing room?
Yes, I whispered to the salesman, I have a problem. He was so nice, gave me a bigger size, said it happens all the time in January.
At least you got the suit, and now you're on a no-cookie diet.
Trying, it's hard. What about your brother? Didn't he visit recently?
Yes, David stayed for 3 days. He's learning magic tricks now. At dinner, he tried to make a coin disappear. It landed in the waiter's soup.
Ta-da! The coin is in the soup.
The waiter was surprised, but nice, gave him a new soup and said no more magic in my restaurant.
Your family is entertainment gold. Mine had a cinema fail. We wanted comedy, ended up in a boring history documentary for 20 minutes.
How?
We were talking too much and sat in the wrong room. Sarah was furious. She hates history. We just left and got ice cream instead.
Ice cream fixes everything. Speaking of fun, any plans this weekend?
Maybe hiking with friends? You?
Relaxing at home. Maybe read and drink tea. Perfect chill day.
Nice. We should all do more of that. Life's busy, but friends and small moments make it good.
Totally. Talking like this makes the week feel lighter.
It does. So, to all our listeners, thank you for hanging out with us today. We love these real chats.
Yes, thank you. If something funny happened to you this week or you have a goal for January, tell us in the comments. We read everyone.
And if you enjoyed this relaxed vibe, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Help us grow so we can keep chatting with you.
Have a wonderful week, everyone. Stay happy, stay laughing.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Talk soon.